You're watching the Alabama Weather Network.
It's Thursday, the 26th of February. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather will feature a chance of showers today. Not raining all day, but some rain at times. Could be a thunderstorm, but then the weekend looks pretty good. And next week, looking pretty warm. Let's begin with the upper air look around the nation early this morning. And again, there's a broad trough that's over the eastern states. And around that, we've got a little wave coming in here. On top of that, there is a surface front. And that surface front will bring the chance of a few showers to the state today. In fact, we have some rain in spots early this morning. In fact, let's go right to the radar composite across the southeastern states. And again, you can see we've got some light rain showers. Nothing especially heavy in progress. In fact, let's go right to the next red radars. And again, this is the Birmingham view. For those that are watching live on the socials, we're live at 5:10 this morning. Many of you watching later on the Alabama Weather Network. However you watch, thank you. Got some pretty decent rain falling in parts of Talladega, Clay counties in East Alabama. Lighter rain showers around the Birmingham metro. Rain showers up in the Tennessee Valley. South Alabama, pretty quiet. Just a few spotty showers there. That's the radar coming out of Mobile. And we'll check the radar coming out of Fort Rucker. We got light rain showers in progress there. Geneva, Houston, Henry counties. I'll actually be in Geneva County here a little later today. So again, showers around this morning. We could see a thunderstorm this afternoon, but again, the chance of severe storms is very, very low, as you'll see. Temperatures this morning are well above the freezing mark with clouds in place. We have mostly upper 50s and low 60s. We'll check the watch warning map around the nation. Things are very quiet today. We do note that SPC has introduced this little small level 1 out of level 5 marginal risk for parts of Mississippi and Alabama. This is about as low as it gets. Quite frankly, I don't expect any problems with severe storms today. There might be a storm with small hail, but the wind fields are weak. There's zero chance of any tornado problems or anything meaningful like that. We'll take a look at the data here in just a second. Tomorrow, maybe some thunder for South Alabama early in the day, tomorrow morning. And then on day 3, which is Saturday, maybe some thunder for Florida, Oklahoma, or North California, but again, nothing severe. Rain for the next 7 days. Hey, we need rain, and this is really not good. The numbers are coming down. This is the rain between now and Thursday morning of next week. Really, for much of the state, rain amounts under 1/2 inch. Not much. The better amounts, southeast Alabama. Enterprise, Andalusia, Dothan, Eufaula, Phoenix City, Auburn, Opelika, maybe a little over 1 inch. But again, that's not really going to make much of a dent in these drought conditions we have. And this new update will come out here in a couple of hours. We'll have the new drought monitor by 8 o'clock this morning. And I really don't expect any improvement here. And you can see that 57% of the state is in some type of drought. But let's go through the situation today. Model fans, European, OZ run, 3 o'clock today. Again, broad westerly flow aloft. We have a weak surface front coming in, not an Arctic front. And that will bring showers and a few thunderstorms. So let's go to high-resolution modeling. This is the HRRR, high-resolution rapid refresh, valid this evening at 6 o'clock. And again, you can see a little band of showers and a few thunderstorms stretched out across north-central Alabama. There'll be a little instability involved here, not much. Those values are somewhat meager, but again, the wind fields are very weak, very weak. And there's no chance of any tornado activity, and I guess it's possible there might be a storm with some small hail on the western side of the state there, but again, we just don't expect a problem with severe storms today. So tomorrow morning, the batch of rain moves on down into southeast Alabama. This is 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. North Alabama, dry. Rain falling tomorrow morning for Mobile, Andalusia, Dothan, Enterprise, Abbeville, Headland, Eufaula. That rain should be over by late tomorrow morning. And most of the state will likely be dry tomorrow afternoon. And for the weekend, it looks pretty good. Now, Saturday, again, you might mention a slight chance of a shower somewhere over the southern two-thirds of the state, but the chance of rain is so small, we're leaving that out. A mix of sun and clouds, and Sunday is going to be a beautiful day. Partly to mostly sunny. Highs for the weekend in the 70s statewide. Going to feel good. Next week, Having its thickness values down a smidgen with a little clipper coming in. That might drop temperatures a few degrees, but still I think most places should be in the 70s. We do note up north maybe some snow for Cincinnati and Pittsburgh. This is Tuesday. Again, for most of the state, I think we'll be in the 70s, maybe upper 60s for the Tennessee Valley. The day will be dry. Wednesday, mild and dry. And a week from today, Thursday, March 5th. Got a big upper high that's over the South Atlantic coast in the state of Florida. That should keep us mostly dry. And a big trough in the western states. And again, with that upper ridge in place, any showers Thursday should be very isolated. The better chance of rain north and west of here. Let's go out 10 days. Saturday, March 7th. Again, got that strong upper high that's over the South Atlantic coast. A trough in the western states. A short wave lifting out over the Midwest. And again, could there be a shower? Yes, but with that ridge in place, that kind of keeps the main rain producers off to the west. So it looks kind of quiet here, really, for the next 10 days. Let's check rain for the next 15 days. Coming off the European ensemble. And the mean is creeping up, and that's good. We need the rain. This is suggesting a little over 3 inches between now and the 11th of March. And again, it seems like the models are signaling a more active pattern around, March 5th through March 15th, with better rain and storm chances by then. Temperatures coming off the NBM National Blend of Models. Hey, springtime. Look at here. No sign of any freeze on that chart over the next 10 days. Highs mostly in the 70s, lows mostly in the 50s. And the latest long-range guidance, 8 to 14 days out. This is for March 5th through March 11th. We are solidly in the red. Temperatures above average, but we always have late season cold snaps in March and April. We're not done with winter, but that sure looks like spring for the next 15 days. So, Pensacola last night, liked that a lot. Most of Alabama was kind of socked in by clouds about the sunset time last night, but man, it's starting to look like spring. Wow, these shots were taken on the campus of Auburn University yesterday. The tulips are blooming. These shots were taken in Oxford in Calhoun County. Meteorological spring begins Sunday. We consider meteorological spring the 1st of March through the end of May. And we go back on daylight saving time a week from this Sunday, March 8th. The sun will be going down about 6:50 in the afternoon by then. All right, so today I will be in Geneva County at Mulkey Elementary School for a program there. Then I will be at Reed State Community College in Evergreen, Conecuh County. And then this evening at 5 o'clock, we have a program at the Thomasville Public Library. And this is a program kind of getting you prepped for really two things. The core of the spring tornado season and the hurricane season. That'll be here before you know it. So again, it's free and open, but you do need to register. So if you're in Clark County, South Marengo County, come see us. Thomasville Public Library, 5 o'clock today. Tomorrow, going to be in Calhoun County at DeArmonville Elementary School, Oxford City School. That'll be a lot of fun. Tomorrow evening, I'll be in Sandestin on the beach, speaking to WeatherTech, the carrier dealers there, for a conference they have. And then right back to Birmingham, I'll be speaking to the Key Club State Convention. They'll be in Hoover on Saturday morning. In one logistical note here, because of all of this travel, I will not be able to produce one of these afternoon videos. Drew McCombs will have a weather briefing video on the Alabama Weather Network social pages and the network itself. But again, since I'll be on the road, I'll post some notes, but I can't do these videos. So my next briefing video, will be here tomorrow morning. You can normally catch me on ABC 3340 News, but again, because of travel, Evan Chick Vera is going to handle that for me tonight and tomorrow night. But I will say every day, you can catch my forecast on great radio stations around the state, including in Birmingham, Classic Rock 106.9. Thanks for watching. Have a terrific Thursday, and God bless.